Hi there! It's a brand new day in Adventure Bay. Look, here's Chase. I'm glad you're here, Chase. We're around the lookout. Can you help me? Nice! Hold your finger. Perfect! Now drive to the pup pad. You did it! Thanks, Chase. Have some pup treats. Collect enough pup treats and you'll win a prize. There are a few more around the lookout. Go get them. That looks fun! Tap the slide to use it. Great! It's a gift box! Oops! The birdhouse fell on the ground. Spin the wheel! Spin, spin, spin! Just a little more! Right on, pup! There are 2 more birdhouses to fix. I'm adding them to your radar. Follow the arrows to find them. Beautiful! You found one! Let's fix it! Almost there! Nice work, pup! Just 1 more and done! Keep going, Chase! Cool! Neat! Nice! Look, a song. It's the last birdhouse. Let's go. You can do it, pup. Good work, pup. Incredible. Nice bench. Uh-oh, it's broken. Chase, can you fix them? Nice. Tap on the broken. I detect 2 more broken benches. Can you find and fix them? I've added them to your radar, Chase. Follow the arrows to find the broken benches. Nice! Bring it to the broken bench. Way to go, pup! There it is! Okay, time to fix it. Paw Patrol, to the lookout! Thanks for hurrying, pups! A storm passed over Yumi's farm and startled the chickens. The chickens escaped, and now they're everywhere. We need to help Farmer Yumi round them up. Chase, I'll need you to round up the stray chickens